In this video, we are going to see how we can book the credit sales against the customer for a single item. As you can see here, on 12th of January, it says credit sales to Mr. Walter, which is our existing customers of previous rear lights. The quantity is 10 and the rate is 280. So let's head over to the customers and sales section, and here we will go to sales invoice. Because this is our regular customer, it is not necessary to raise the quotes and sales order every time. Rather, we can book the direct sales invoice as well. So click on sales invoice, new sales invoice, and let's choose Mr. Walter here. The date of transaction is 12th of January. So let's make it 12. Due date is set in the customer defaults, but if you want to change it, you can change that as well. Let's give any invoice number. Let's say this one. Now the quantity of item is 10 and the rate is 280. And the item is Prius rear lights. 10 Prius rear lights and rate is 280. This makes the total to 2800. So let's save this. Just go back to check the journal entry effect. And once we are in here, click on journal from the top. And this is how you book it. Sales is credit and against that receivables is debit. So perfect entry. This is how you do it. Just try it by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.